The law of conservation of energy was concretized by Hermann Helmholtz in 1847, and due to his work, we can conclude that the phenomena of nature are translated into mechanical phenomena and that the basic identity of nature is preserved. The terms of kinetic energy and potential energy were assigned by William John McClure Rankine, changing the terms of lead force and amount of tension.
At the beginning of the 19th century, a military man made a great contribution to the study of physics. He said that mass located at a certain height saves that energy until somehow becomes kinetic. With this experiment, we can conclude that this is demonstrated when the ball increases the altitude, it saves certain amount of energy, called gravitational potential energy, which is obtained by multiplying the mass of the ball by the force of gravity and the distance from the floor to the ball. This energy becomes kinetic when the ball is dropped. In an environment without any loss of energy, the ball will reach the same height as the initial one. This does not happen because factors such as drag force, which is the friction caused by the wind, and the impact result in energy escape elsewhere in the form of heat and sound. In the video we can observe that the law of conservation of energy is fulfilled, and it says that energy can't be created nor destroyed, only transformed. In addition, as Leibniz studied, the energy is only transferred from one object to another when they affect each other. This is the reason why the balls go bouncing lower and lower each time. The balls are only transferring the potential energy that they had stored into kinetic energy. The wind generates friction and this works as a brake. Also, in the impact, the ball interacts with the floor, transfers some of the energy to it, and part of that energy is transferred to the earth in the form of sound waves that dissipate. And also, some of that energy in the impact is transformed into heat energy inside the ball.